Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, how are you? Hope that you people just get a clear idea about your previous topic. So today we are just going through our next topic, that is in collaboration to our previous one. In the previous one, I can just have a super quick recall for you people. We just talk about the ecology. What is ecology? The ecology means the study of the interaction of the living and non-living organisms uh, with their surrounding. So basically ecology is dependent upon the two basic factors. One are the biotic factors, other are the abiotic factors. Whenever we talk about the abiotic factors are the physical feature of our surrounding. They are the physical dead features of the surrounding, while the biotic factors are the living features of the surrounding, which together make an ecosystem. So today, in our today's topic, particularly, we are talking about the abiotic environment. So once again, I'm talking about abiotic means non-living factors, non-living features of an any ecosystem, without which the ecosystem even can't work proper. So whenever we talk about the abiotic factors, there are many abiotic factors in an environment that includes, first of all, come on the light intensity. Light intensity is a very important factor. If we just have a look of all the organisms around us, many kind of the different animals are around us, many kind of the plants are there. And especially if you talk about the plants, even plants need the sunlight for the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which the plants can make food. So the sunlight is an important factor for the process of photosynthesis. Now it depends if the plant is at such place where the light intensity is very high, medium or low. So do you people think that it is having the effect on the proper functioning of the plant system, means in the form of the photosynthesis? Yes. Basically, the light intensity is directly having the influence on the rate of photosynthesis there. So for this reason, if the plants are continuously in such weather where there is a very less sunlight, it's a cloudy area, it's a rainy area, so all the plants of those that area will have this special adaptation in which they adapted themselves to survive in such weather. Now come to the other extreme side. There are few plants which are living in a very high temperature range or very high intense light range, that we call the desert plants. So what is the adaptations? Yes, for example, cactus. So the desert plants adapt themselves in such a way that they can bear the light intensity also, they can bear the high temperature, they can save the water inside, and they can still make themselves, you can say, alive in the very extreme temperature conditions like in the desert. So basically there are the few factors such as light intensity, temperature, availability of the water. The amount of water is an important factor also, because if you people know that, if you people just go through the photosynthesis, recall your concept there. What is at the side of the reactant for the photosynthesis? It was the carbon dioxide, and other important reactant was basically water. Yes, the proper availability of the water is another important factor for the plant to do the proper functioning, to do the proper photosynthesis even. The other one is the oxygen content. Yes. Why the oxygen content is very important? The availability of the oxygen is why it's important, because plants as well as the organisms, their each and every cell need the oxygen for the aerobic cellular respiration, because every living cell do the aerobic cellular respiration, either it's plants, either it's animals. So availability of the oxygen in any particular environment is again an important factor, and without that factor it can even affect the proper growth and proper functioning of the organisms in the same way. Now come down, salinity. The other one important factor is the salinity. Salinity means the amount of salt present in the soil and the water. Salinity is the amount of the salt present in the soil and the water. If the if any soil is having the high salinity level, is that soil a good option for growing the plants? No, that soil is not a good option for growing the plants, because excess of everything is bad for the growth of the plant. Because if the too much soil content is present in any soil and we are just planting a healthy plant there, what that plant will do, that plant, if you people remember the osmosis, the plant will give all of its body water content back toward the soil, because now it's the soil content is more in the outer surrounding. So if you people remember your concept of the plasmolysis there, so that plasmolysis